Hi again. So today we're looking at lesson 13.3, how to use the fraction strips to show that fractions are equivalent. And you can see the fraction strips right here. And when you look at a fraction strip, it's super easy. The one on the top, that's one whole. And fractions are always numbers that you're comparing to one. They're smaller than one. So 1/2 is going to equal 1 whole. So, and here it says, explain how you can use fraction strips to show whether 5/6 or 3/6 of the same whole is greater. So if I look down here, let me get my marker, and I look at 5/6. I'm going to highlight actually. And so I go to 6 and I want to do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 sixths. 5/6, and they want to know 5/6, if 5/6 or 3/6 is greater. So then if I do 3, I'll do 3/6 in another color, and I do 1, 2, 3/6. So which is greater, 5/6 or 3/6? And you can see right here that 5/6 is greater than 3/6. So anytime a fraction has the same denominator, then the fraction that is larger is the one that has the bigger numerator, because there's more parts and all the parts are the same size. So 5/6 is greater than 3/6. And then number 2, which is greater, 3/4 or 2/4? So I'm going to erase. It says which is greater, 3/4 or 2/4? So I already can tell because they have the same denominator. Oh, it says which is greater. I'm sorry, 3/4 or 2/4? Yeah, that's what I said. So they have the same denominator, so I know that there's 3 parts here, and they're all equal parts, and there's only 2 of those parts here. So I know that 3/4 is greater than 2/4. So let's look at the fourths. So these are the fourths right here, because at 1, 2, 3, 4 parts make up the whole. So if I do 1, 2, 3/4, I can see that 3/4 is greater than 1 2/4. So 3/4 is greater than 2/4, because each part is the same size and there's one more part for 3/4. So draw 1/4 to complete the diagram and answer the question. So I am going to just draw it. So I draw out 1/4, 2/4, 3/4. I can see that 1 2/4 is smaller than 1 2 3/4. In 3 and 4, compare, right, less than, greater than, or equal. Use the fraction strips to help. So they're right here. They drew it out for you. They want to know what is greater, 2/8 or 1/8. And I can see that 1 2/8 is bigger or greater than 1/8. So I can just draw my symbol right here. Remember that the alligator is hungry. He's eating the bigger number. So down here we're comparing 6. This is the one, this is the whole. And here you have 1, 2, 3, 6. And here you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And we can tell that 5/6 is greater than 3/6. So I hope that today you find this lesson easy, and I will see you tomorrow for more math.